Hey everybody, it's your lovely Lotus Blossom Lizzie, and I went to the store to get one thing and I came back with a few things and I wanted to share it with you. So this is going to be a smidge of a garden haul. Not a shopping haul, but a garden haul. So let me show you what I picked up. So first of all, this is not a sponsored video. I went to Lowe's to pick up a hose, and they didn't have what I was looking for, so I actually got this from Home Depot. But it is a flexible hose. Well, after you get a flexible hose like this that doesn't kink and it's lightweight, you're not going to want to get any other kind of hose. Trust and believe. So I got this one, and the reason why I got it from Home Depot is because Lowe's didn't have the size I wanted. I needed 75 feet because that's how long my other one was. As you can see, busted up on the ground there. And so I got a 75-foot hose. And then while I was there, I just went ahead and got another, I don't know what you would call this. But it has like the flexi grip, a watering wand. And I've wanted one of these for a while. It wasn't too expensive, so I got this one. So we're gonna see how this works out for me instead of like holding my hand, because I'm still having to water things. Y'all hear those birds? They're crazy this morning. I'm still having to water a lot of things in the garden, even though I have that which should not be mentioned around the garden. And if you haven't watched any of my other videos, you can watch that to figure out who that is. And while I was there, I went to the clearance section, because I always treat myself to some clearance plants, or one clearance plant. So this one was originally $7.98, but I got it for $4, and it's a buttercup. And I thought the bees would love this, and it has like some really beautiful blooms on it too. So I picked that one up as well. So that's like my garden center treat, and I went really early this morning, so they had even more that I had to pick up. I have to keep getting out the sun. But the next thing I picked up, I have been looking for some succulents, because I want to make like some succulent gardens around my house and in the garden as well. And they had a really good deal on succulents, y'all. Let me show you what I got. I got these 4 boxes of succulents, and we're gonna open up one, but each one of these boxes was only $5 at Lowe's. I could not believe it. Let me put one up on the table so we can look at it. What it looks like in the box. And I got this whole box for $5. Now, so this is what it looks like. It's like a little flower petal in there. So, and it's just full of succulents. So, of course, it came in a tray. So, both of these together was $5. So, $2.50 each. Y'all know how much succulents cost? Oh, my goodness. Normally, they would sell like one succulent for like $6 or $7. It's ridiculous. And I bought some from the flea market, and even those were like $2 a piece. So $5 for this whole thing was spectacular. And I could leave them in these little pots, or I can take them out and split them up. So I got 4 boxes of these. I couldn't leave those babies behind. Look at that. I have to put them in a shady spot for today because it's getting ready to be hot. So on to some trash that I picked up, because y'all know, on the way back, I found some people it's trash day, so people had trash out. So for one, this was by a dumpster, and it's like just a little crate, and I thought this would be perfect for me to put like my sweet potatoes in. It's nice and deep. I just need it to stay together. It looks like it has some fish in it. It has a hole at the bottom. That's okay. I'm gonna line this with some landscape fabric and put some dirt in it and grow stuff. So that's perfect. And then behind it, I got this piece of plywood. Y'all know how much wood costs. Now this plywood is in excellent condition. It has a few holes in it, but I could easily use that. I don't know yet how I'm gonna use it, but I just couldn't leave that behind. And then down here at the bottom is, I think this was a just a container that had a lid on it, but I didn't need the lid part. So I got this out of somebody's trash. It's in really good condition. It doesn't have oil or anything in it. I'll clean it up. And I'm just gonna use this to like mix dirt in, basically. So I probably won't put holes in that. And this right here is just some like a lampshade or lamp blinds. And y'all, I've actually been trying to see if anybody's been throwing these out, because I'm gonna use these as plant markers. So I'll just cut these up and use them for plant markers, because this plastic is perfect. So we'll see how long the Sharpie will stay on that. So that's it. That's everything that I got. So I went out to get a hose and I came back with about 15 items. A few of them I had to pay for, but most of them I did not, because y'all, I'm a notorious trash picker, okay? Y'all hear Mr. Rooster and the dogs? The animals are going crazy today. So I'm gonna go ahead and shove off. If y'all love haul videos, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, because you know you want to. Leave a comment below. What do you think is the best item that I got here? I can't wait to start gardening with this stuff. All right, y'all. I will see you on the next video. See you later, my garden tools. Bye.